Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. We have an absolutely gorgeous Audi R8. This was a direct trade-in here at Davis AutoSports. I'm gonna do a good walk around, show you some details. You guys will never believe the miles on this thing. If you are looking for an entry-level exotic that does not look entry condition-wise, this thing, top to bottom, inside out, is in gorgeous condition. Probably the best value R8 that's going to be on the US market right now. Like I said, direct trade-in. When the previous owner called me on the car as a potential trade due to the miles, I told him it wasn't something that I think we would be interested in. He then continued to send me some pictures and videos, and I was very, very impressed with it. They were just a handful. I didn't think that it was going to be in the condition that the few pictures and videos showed, but I did tell him, yeah, go ahead and bring it in. We'll take a look at it, run it through the shop, inspect it. And when he came here, I was absolutely blown away by the condition of it. Obviously, there are some upgrades on the car. It does have an upgraded rear carbon fiber spoiler, wheels, tires, exhaust system, front grille, headlights, front diffuser, full front PPF. So, car has 99,000 miles on it, performs flawlessly, has been impeccably serviced since day one of ownership. Just recently, all the tires were done, all the fluids, differential fluids as well. I mean, this car literally, no exaggeration, we're shooting this on 4K, we're showing you every nook and cranny. I mean, it looks like a 10,000 mile R8, it really, really does. No weird camera angles, no tricks. Just absolutely stunning car. Full carbon engine bay as well. We'll get to that here in a moment. Exhaust sounds great on it. Just look at those taillights. This car truly shows sub 15K. Pirelli 295 2520s in the rear. All matching Pirelli tires all the way around. I mean, I don't think there's a single dent or ding on this entire car. As mentioned, full PPF, the whole front clip, ceramic tint all the way around. The top is a wrap. Every single thing that you can get in carbon on this car, it has. Inside smells great. It's a mix of just the conditioner on the leather that they've used year after year. It smells very, very clean. I mean, I'm telling you, I've come across exotics all the time. You don't see some 5,000 mile cars that look this nice. In this car too, our reconditioning crew, we got it traded, probably 6 days ago. So all they literally did today was wash it in a spray wax. Usually we paint correct, we buff, we polish, we do all sorts of stuff. This car got a 30-minute wash and spray wax. That's all it received. I mean, check out these seats. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense how nice this car is. So much car for the money. Just a beautiful car on top of that. Carbon everywhere. Carbon steering wheel. And this thing is just, really is pristine. You look at the driver's seat. No leather shrinkage on the dash, no pullback. Everything works perfect. The AC is ice cold. Exhaust sounds amazing. Let me show you the engine bay. The only thing on the entire car, I'll show you now and in our test drive. Full carbon engine bay, exhaust, intake. So what I was getting at earlier, the only little hiccup on the entire car is the headlights, and it's just when you start the car. If they're not on daytime running light mode, or excuse me, headlight, there's a slight flicker. I will go ahead and give you a quick little glimpse of the flicker, and then I'm going to turn the headlights on so you see that it's not an issue when they're actually on. Also want to let you guys know we have both keys, the books, the manuals, absolutely everything. You saw the initial flicker, but none whatsoever when the headlights are actually on. Very nice, deep, rich tone. Tail lights look awesome. If you're seeing a flicker on video, obviously most of you guys know this. When you see LED lights, they do have a slight flicker on film, but not in real life. You hear the intakes really sucking in. So we're going to move some cars and give you guys a test drive. Alright guys, here we are in the drivability portion. Very hot day here in Richmond. AC blowing ice cold. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Headlight warning light. Headlights work perfectly. It's just with some of those upgraded Euro lights, you'll get that, but as I showed you in the earlier video, they work absolutely perfect. Pillars, headliner. car's got a really good tone for a daily driver. I mean, it doesn't have any drone, just enough exhaust note to know you have something there. Good mix. The gauges are, the glass on them, I mean, everything is just so clean in this car. And all the buttons and knobs, very clean. The air is actually, I'm gonna turn it down, it's freezing in here. I mean, just absolutely as nice as can be. Day here in Richmond, Virginia. Perfect temp. Surprise. We could do this for another hour. You're going to get the same thing. There's a lot of cops on this road, so there's nothing crazy I can do, but this car performs flawlessly. No issues whatsoever. I want to see if this Mustang's going to run. He may not be familiar with this road and either wants to run or take a look at the car, one of the two. Let's see what he does. Yeah, he's just looking. There's cops up here in this split. Huh. Interesting. That's it, guys. If y'all have any questions, 855-955-3377. Thank you.